Our today's video is all about additions of integers. We have two rules for adding integers that we need to remember. First, to add integers with the same sign, add their absolute values and copy the sign. The second is to add integers with different sign, subtract their absolute values and copy the sign of the integer with the greatest absolute value. Let's go to our examples. Positive 5 plus positive 6, same sign. So we need to add their absolute values. 5 plus 6 is 11. And copy the sign, both positive. So our final answer is positive 11. Next is negative 4 plus negative 6. Same sign again. Add their absolute values. 4 plus 6, 10. And copy the sign, both negative. So copy. Our final answer is negative 10. Next, negative 10 plus 7. Different sign. So subtract the absolute values. 10 minus 7, 3. And copy the sign of the integer with the greatest absolute value. So since 10 is greater than 7, so we need to copy the sign of 10, which is negative. So our final answer is negative 3. Next is 25 plus negative 6. Different sign. Subtract the absolute values. 25 minus 6, 19. And copy the sign of the integer with the greatest absolute value. 25 is greater than 6, so we need to copy the sign of 25, which is positive. So our final answer is positive 19. Next is 15 plus negative 17. Different sign again. So we need to subtract their absolute values. 17 minus 15, 2. And copy the sign of the integer with the greatest absolute value. 17 is greater than 15, so we need to copy the sign of 17, which is negative, so our final answer is negative 2. That's all for this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.